A for ant. Ant means mungi. A for apple. Apple means सफरचंद. Air. Air means हवा. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane means विमान. Aim. Aim. Aim for ध्येय. Aim म्हणजे ध्येय. A for art. Art means कला. A for alone. Alone means एकटा. A for age. Age means वय. Around. A for around. Around means सभोवताली. A for R. R means आहेस. A for again. Again means पुन्हा परत. A for arrow. Arrow means बाण. A for act. Act means कृती करणे. A for able. Able means सक्षम असणे. A for agree. Agree means सहमत. A for also. Also means सुद्धा. A for afraid. Afraid means भीती. A for any. Any means इतर. A for and. And means आणि. A for always. Always means नेहमी. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बालमित्रांनो, माझे हे यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.